Just like the pommeling was like a very straightforward movement. We'll just go over like penduluming or the pendulum. Basically, it's just a way to get up from the supine position to the seated. So obviously, if you're seated and you wanted to go supine, it's pretty easy, right? Just roll on your back. You're good. But to get up, again, we probably all do it, and it's not complicated, but it's good to be shown exactly what I mean. So if you put your feet down and you just try to sit up, oh God, it's just old man sit-up style, right? So not very efficient. Also, if I'm here and my back is flat, it's rough, right? So we want to use the momentum and the swing, the pendulum of one leg, not two, and a rounded back to get up, right? So if I'm flat, I'm kind of dead, right? If I'm up already, like my back is rounded, you can see just like how when I rolled up, you can already start to see it a little bit. So with two legs, you can do it. It's better with one because if you extend, you get more of a fling. So if I was back, you kick yourself back, you can come up with quite a bit more force. You can all see that, right? This is okay if nobody's doing anything to you, but you want that kind of axe kick, more power when it comes up if you're actually having an issue, right? So if Corey comes and he's doing like a over-under or a double stack pass, so underneath one of the legs, whichever one you want, he's coming this side, he's coming here, right? So by simply grabbing the sleeve or putting the elbow, so come around, if I sit, like that's what you need it for because you're not just coming up by yourself, you're also needing to push him, right? And you can combine something with this with just like a scoot and you're facing, right? Do it from a different angle. So again, if he's under one leg, it doesn't matter which side, but here, you can either push at the elbow or something like this. But basically he's coming around. And if I just try to sit up from here, oh, I'm getting smashed, right? But if he goes ahead again, I just sit up, right? Again, I have a frame. You know, you're combining the butt scoot or the scooting motion with the pendulum just to move up, right? Just a good way to get from the supine position to seated. Again, super easy the other way. You just lean back, right? But you'll see if I lean back flat, I just flump, right? If I have a rounded spine, it's like a little arc, right? So again, just sit up. Really easy, yeah?